How to create quick replies on WhatsApp Business. Save time by setting up quick replies for common questions. And here's how to create quick replies on WhatsApp Business. First, go to Business Tools and click Quick Replies. Select Add New and type your message. Assign a shortcut keyword like thanks so you can send it instantly during chats. Click Save and now you can use your shortcut whenever you need to reply quickly. Create quick replies for FAQs like opening hours or pricing to speed up customer support. What quick reply would save you the most time? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can create quick replies on WhatsApp Business. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.